Okay, it's time for chapter 3. Let's see. Remember the days of the week. I think I put those in a different video, but we have Saturday. For number 1, we have, okay, a few of these on this puzzle we did not cover in class. We just ran out of time, and we're going to do it next week. But, so you can go ahead and get a jump start on it. Some time issues on here. One is early. So number 4 is going to be early. So your middle finger touches your middle finger of your dominant hand is going to touch the non-dominant hand, the back of it, and do early, like this. Early. Remember, if someone's very early, your face should show it. Also, I'm going to go ahead and do late, which is on here somewhere, number 14, late. Sorry, I'm late. Very few signs happen below about this level or above it, but late is one of them that does. It kind of gets itself outside of that box that we normally sign in. So late. All right, see what I'm doing with my hand. Just kind of waving it back there. Okay, number 6, we have, this is all night. I showed y'all, back up some more. I showed y'all day, noon, or noon, high noon, afternoon, and night. But what we did not cover in class is the all day, all night signs. So all night, the sun is basically has set over the horizon, and now it's coming all the way, about to come back up for morning. So all night looks like this. All night I studied, right? All night. All day, your hand will come from right here and go all the way down. So the sun was up and now it's coming down. So that one is all day, which is also, I think, on your homework it may not be. But if you see that, it's all day. For number 7, they're doing a sign there that no one, I know I say this all the time, but no one uses this. They do day here. Today is the answer here for number 7, I believe. Yes, today is the answer here. But everyone does now day or just now, like this. Like if someone says, well, when is your birthday? And you would say this. This doesn't necessarily mean now. It just means today. But if you want the official word today, we're going to do now day. But for 7, they're kind of doing it. I guess they could mean now, here, day. It looks to me like they're doing day first and then now, but you should be doing today, now, day. Number 9, we have sometimes. Okay, now how often this sometimes is will depend on how fast you go here. So if someone says, how often you go to the gym, I would say, like you see how infrequent a finger is hitting the other hand. That's showing it's pretty rare. It's still saying sometimes, but I would interpret that as rarely. But if you do sometimes like this, it's more the general word sometimes. And if you do, that means you do it pretty often or frequently. You could actually interpret that as frequently. Okay. Forever. Like this. Some people just do the first part, but you can do forever like this. That also can mean always or eternally or eternity or something like that, but forever. 13, during. Start them towards your body, and then you're gonna go out. They don't touch. During. And then we covered 14 already, which is late. Number 1, down is this. Here's your sun. It's coming down on the horizon, so it's sunset. 2, when I first saw this one, I was like, oh, that's every day. So I had to think a little bit to realize that they want daily. So every day, daily means the same thing, right? You say, how often do you brush your teeth? Oh, daily, right? At least twice daily, 3 times. Anyway, so daily or every day. You do a thumb by your face and come down several times every day. Number 3 is next. You're starting here and you're going to the next one. Next. Number 5. We'll cover some of these in class soon. This is how you sign year. This is next year. This is last year. So you just kind of hit it as if you just signed the word year and then go back with a 1. Last year is what they want for number 5. Last year. Number 8 is really hard to see on this paper. It should be like this, your turn. So in class, if I say it's your turn, or if I do like this, it means take turns. Okay, so your turn. I know it looks just like step or something else that was in one of our other chapters, but it's not. This is your turn. It's going from me to you, basically. Your turn. Number 10, this is a sign for again or repeat. So the word they want here is repeat, and you can do it several times. You might say, I repeat, repeatedly, do whatever, repeat, or again. 11 we know is Friday, and then 12 is Sunday.